In today's video, I'm going to show you how to load an Unpacked extension in Firefox quickly and correctly using the built-in debugging page. This is the easiest way to test a browser extension while you're developing it, and it's perfect if you want to load your project without publishing it first. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go up to the address bar and type about debugging. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's Debugging and Extension Management page, which is where you can load temporary add-ons for testing. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click This Firefox. This tells Firefox that you want to manage extensions for the current browser session. Now you're ready for the main step. Click Load Temporary Add-on. A file browser window will appear, and this is where you need to navigate to your extension folder. Inside that folder, look for the Manifest.Json file. This is the important file that tells Firefox how your extension is structured and what it needs to run. Select Manifest.Json and click Open, or simply double-click it depending on your system. Firefox will immediately load the extension as a temporary add-on, and you should see it appear in the Extensions area. At this point, your Unpacked extension is active and ready for testing. You can now check whether your buttons, scripts, icons, permissions, and features are working the way they should. Just keep in mind that this is temporary, so if you close Firefox or restart the browser, the add-on may need to be loaded again. That makes this method ideal for development, debugging, and quick testing, but not for long-term installation. If you're working on an extension, this process saves a lot of time because you can make changes, reload, and test your updates without going through the full publishing process. And that's it. You've successfully loaded an Unpacked extension in Firefox using About Debugging. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.